Good morning, everyone. This morning, I'm going to teach you how to solve the lesson, how to answer the lesson, how to solve the puzzle in grade 1, particularly in grade 1. So this is lesson 4 and 5. So we are going to solve lesson 4 and 5. So lesson 4 is about programming with Angry Birds, and lesson 5 is programming with Harvester. So are you ready now? So to start with, please open your browser, your internet browser. So we will be using our Google Chrome. So here is our Google Chrome. So if you are already for this tutorial is for grade 1 student. If your parents, your mom and dad already bookmarked the code.org in your computer, so you can see that one at the top, the bookmark section or in the shortcut. But if not, ask your mom to bookmark it in your computer, or you need to type code.org. Okay, so this is our code.org now. So before we continue, if you did not subscribe yet my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. You can see the subscribe button at the lower part of your computer screen. Okay, please just click subscribe, and please also click the bell button to subscribe or notify you in our new video. So let's start. So we will be going to start with the grade 1. Okay, to start with, are you ready now? So please click sign in. So this time, for those new students, all you need to do is to fill up this side. You have your email, your username, your password, and then you sign in. But for students that with the card already, with the login card already, all you need to do is to go to our class. So this time, I will be going to class 1D. Okay, so I will be going to class 1D. So today is Thursday. So this is the schedule of my class. So to start with, you write the login code. The login code, our class code, can be found. You can see that one in your login card at the top right side, the 6-letter code. So all you need to do is to write our code. Our code is for 1D, grade 1D is P H Z M K and N. So this is our code. Okay, P H Z M K N, 6 letters. Okay, you can write capital letter or small letter can. So after you type the code, remember that every class have different codes. Okay, so you must look for your card. Grade 1 students, are you ready now? So click go. So remember that grade 1 from K3 to grade 3, K3 to grade 1 and grade 2, we use the picture password. But for grade 3 to 4 and 5, we use the secret word. So for now, I include my name here in your class, grade 1D. Okay, so I am Debbie. Click. After that, we will look for your secret picture. The secret picture is in your card also. So for my code, for my name, I will use my password. Click. I use the bird. Click. And then after you click your password, the next is you click the sign in. Okay? Sign in. After you click sign in, you are now in our class. Class 1D. Okay, so this time I will be going to teach you lesson 4 and lesson 5. Okay, for grade 1 student, we will be learning this morning about programming with Angry Birds. We have 1 to 10, and also programming with Harvester from 1 to 15. So maybe I will just choose randomly some of the lesson, and other lesson you will do it by yourself. Okay, for example, for lesson 4 we will start with number 3. Okay, lesson 4 number 3. Let's start. So this is programming with Angry Birds, so we are using Angry Birds. So to start with, okay, I will start over. So here you can see the Angry Birds will move towards the pig. Okay, so how can we do that? So if you can count the blocks, so we have 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. So we need to hop on 3 times. Going where? Going down, or going to the south, going down. So you can see arrow down. So 1, 2, 3. So you put 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so when you're done with this, all you need to do is to run. Okay, so if you can see here, this is very important also. Workspace needs only 4 blocks. If you use more blocks, this will become error. It will use more blocks. Okay, the color will be this one. It's a pale green color, not solid green color. Okay, because this one, so you are using, or you use more blocks. So after you put 1, 2, 3 going down, you click run, jump, and it's that done. So it says that you complete puzzle number 3. So after that, click continue. Okay, and it move on to lesson number 4. Now I will choose lesson number 7. Okay, challenge. I will use lesson number 7. Okay, so I am ready now. So I will start over. So this is lesson number 7. The rest of the lesson, kids, you will do it by yourself. Okay, so this is lesson number 7 for grade 1. So the Angry Bird will go up, and then will jump 1, 2, 3, and go down. So if you notice here, down here, you have this pink black. What does this mean? This is what we call loop. If you have instruction that it's repeatedly, or you repeat the instruction, you use the loop, and you write how many times you repeat it. I will show you how to do it. So first, the Angry Bird is facing towards the pig, right? If you jump forward, it will go here, right? So you need to jump where? Go up, right? To the north. So north, click, put it here. After you done the first block, so you can click. Okay, this is a challenge. This is the challenge number 7. Okay, you can see it's a challenge. So you need to do the challenge also. So up here. Next is to move to the where? Yes, going here, forward. So how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then you are here now, right? 1, 2, 3. You are here now. So after you reach here, all you need to do is to go down. So down 1. Okay, this now, if you can see, you have 6 blocks used and 6 blocks is required. That's correct. But what is the use of this one? This one, if you notice, you have 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, meaning you repeat this one 3 times. Instead of using this one, you can change this one, put it here, and add this pink color, and then put 1, and then how many times you move forward? 3 times. Click. And then the last one, down. And then you can put that one in the bin. So if you can see, 1 up, 3 times forward, 1, 2, 3, and 1 down. Let's try. Okay? Click. Yes, and that's all done, right? So you're done with the challenge. And you use only at least 4 lines of code. Okay? So that is how to use our looping, the pink one. So, did you get it? Okay, continue. So it will move on to the next number, number 8. Okay? So number 8 is quite easy. All you need to do is to move forward and go down. So move forward and go down. No need to add the loop because we have only single step. Okay? So run. Okay, and done. Okay, continue. And it goes to the next lesson, number 9. So we're done with lesson 4. The rest, you will do it. And then we will move on to lesson number 5. So in lesson number 5, we will choose at least 5 numbers. Maybe number 5, number 10, and number 15. Okay, let's start with number 5. Oh, number 5 is only a video. So all you need to do is to watch. Okay, you watch the video with number 5. After you watch the video, the next is click continue. Okay? So all you need to do is to click continue. Remember, lesson number 5 is programming with harvester. Okay? Programming with harvester. So, if you can see, programming with harvester, okay, we'll start over. Here, start over. So, this one, we need to go, this is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So, all we need to do is to put, what is that? Forward. You can do the loop and then move forward. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, change it to 5. After you change it to 5, the next, you are here now. What you are going to do is to pick up the corn. Okay, let's try. Okay. Oh, replay. It's very fast. Okay. Reset. Very fast. You can see. Okay. Okay. That's it. How to do it. Did you get it? Next. Continue. Close. We will move on to lesson 5, number 10. Let's try to do number 10. Okay. Let's try to do number 10. We need to use 7 blocks. Okay. Now, if you can see here, it's similar to lesson number 6, right? Lesson 5, number 6. Jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this time, you need to pick up in the 3rd block and the 4th block. So, all you need to do is to 1, you are here now. 2, you are here now. 3, you are here now, right? And pick up. Understand? Here, you need to pick up. Next. Forward. And then need to pick up. If you can see, I use 7 blocks. Okay, it's correct. So when you run, we will see step. 1, 2, 3, and then pick up, move, and then pick up. Understand? Okay, that's good. Okay, so we are now in lesson 5, number 15. Okay, number 15 practice. So here on this side, you can see the harvester will move 2 blocks, and she needs to pick up the corn. Okay, and then move down, pick up the corn, then move down, pick up the corn, another move down, pick up the corn. That's it, right? So we will start. So moving here, so you can see the arrow. okay, towards the east, and then 2 times, and then need to pick up the cone. Pick up the cone, and then go down and pick up the cone. If you can see, you need to go down, right? Go down 3 times, and you need to pick up the cone. This one, and this one is repeatedly 3 times, right? So we will put it here, and we will do the looping. How many times? 1, 2, and 3. So you put the loop here, and then you need to put 3 times. Let's try if our code is okay now. Let's try run or step. We will step so that you will see one by one. Forward 1, you can see here. Okay. Forward 2, this one, and pick up. And then next, go down, pick up 1, go down, pick up 2, and go down, pick up 3. Okay, so that is how to solve lesson number 5, number 15. Okay, so just click continue, and after that it will go on to lesson number 6. Okay, so before you go to lesson number 6, you have to solve the lesson 4 challenges 1 and 2, and then go to lesson number 6. This one is included in your lesson. Okay, so just hang on and keep watching our channel. Next time I will show how to solve these 2 channels in our Codeorg lesson number 5. Okay, so if you did not subscribe yet our channel, please subscribe, and please click the bell button. If you don't know how to subscribe, you can see the subscribe button on the lower part of your screen, or you just click the subscribe, and then after that, after you subscribe, you will be notified every new video in our channel. Thank you for subscribing our channel, David June 101.